Modern machining technique CNC machining. Computer numerical control uses computer numerical control technology to regulate machine tool movement in aircraft, automotive, electrical equipment, and other industries. It is extensively applied. High degree of automation, great efficiency and great accuracy define CNC machining. It can guarantee consistency of quality and handle difficult geometric forms. Pre-programming CNC machine tools allows them to rapidly execute many process stages, from rough machining to finishing, therefore enhancing production efficiency and adaptability. Turning, milling, grinding, drilling, cutting, and are just a few of the many machining techniques that differentiate CNC machining. Machining planes or complicated curved surfaces employs milling. Grinding uses grinding wheels for high-precision surface treatment. Drilling is appropriate for hull machining. Turning mostly processes moving components. Laser cutting or may also be utilized to prepare high-hardness materials or complicated molds for more unique purposes. Every machining technique has special benefits. The suitable process may be chosen depending on the material, form and accuracy criteria of the item. CNC machining's great performance and broad application make it a vital technological aid for contemporary industry as it offers a consistent guarantee for obtaining high quality and effective component production.